Use discount code JACOVIRAL to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video. Can I get in? Yeah. Thank you, man.
Thank you.
Woo. What's your name real quick before I get a demo?
Jerry Jacob.
Okay. What else in here real quick?
4 Pride Audio TV3. It's like the biggest 3-inch coil they make.
Yep.
10-inch motor, 10-inch spider. 4 MD8Ks at 0.7.
Wow. And how was your meter score? I think you did 64?
It is 64 flat, yeah.
Awesome. Congrats, man. Good work.
Yeah, last year when you did it, I was doing 55s,
Yep.
the American base.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Same 6-door. I ain't changed nothing
Yeah.
except for woofers and amps.
Okay. All right. Yeah, I'm ready, man.
Let's see what else we got.
Jeez, that's low. That's brutal, man. Nice work. Yeah. This helped a lot too, I'm sure. Woo.
Look, my horn fell off.
You broke something already.
It's broken numerous windshields.
Man.
Ripped the roof. It ripped that door off the hinges.
Oh gosh.
I had to re-weld all the hinges to the body.
Man. Wow. Thanks for the demo, man.
All right, no problem.
Man,
You
that was
send me
awesome.
again.
Yes, sir. I appreciate it, man. That was loud.
I don't mind.
Okay. Yeah. They can go in. You can go in. You go in. Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVIRAL when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.